It's your guy Home of Profit. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make money from home with just a simple browser. Okay, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. If you are new to my channel, welcome anew. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more profits. For my already subscribed friends, welcome back. Like and share with others to benefit. And now without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so CryptoTab is a browser that helps you earn free Bitcoin that automatically mines while you use the browser on the internet. Okay, alright, so just so you know, it's a simple browser. It looks and feels exactly like Google Chrome browser. The only difference is that it has a special perk to mine Bitcoin for free and earn it. You do not need to invest. There's no space for any sort of investment before you start, earning Bitcoin. And then what happens is that you are able to mine Bitcoin for free and earn it, withdraw it to your wallet. Okay, and so they have not been around for quite too long, but they are tested, tried, verified, and trusted. Okay, so members of my team have reached the threshold and have withdrawn. Okay, the threshold is 0.00001 BTC, and we have been able to withdraw very well. And so this is a genuine way to earn money from home on your PC, your Mac, your iOS, and Android devices. Now you want to check out the link on the description below, and you get to earn a percentage by using our referral code. It's right there on the description below. Click that and then register through that link, guys. This is really cool. You all should check it out. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of how the tab works, and as you can see right here, it says the balance update. So here you don't see any balance changes despite mining going on at its fullest. Just wait a bit. Balance and referrals data is updated several times per hour, hourly. Okay, now import bookmarks. You can import the bookmarks from the previous browser. You don't have to, start going around, trying to re-bookmark the websites you visited or trying to do that. You can also actually do this even from, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari browser, and even any other browser you're using before. Okay, just like I told you, you can see this actually looks and feels like, Google Chrome. It's very responsive, and it's really really cool. It's so fast and it doesn't slow down your device in any way. Okay, guys. Now you can adjust your mining speed. Okay, and to start mining, drag the speed slider to the right, adjust mining speed, and I'm going to show you this in a minute. Now if you look right here, this is what it's talking about, the mining speed. You get to control if you want it to mine at the fullest max, or you just want it to mine, at a particular range. You can adjust this with the knob here. And there's also something called the cloud boost. Now this, what this does is it actually enables you to double the speed at which you mine at. Okay, so it doubles your mining speed. Okay, and I have this on, for the sake of this tutorial, and also for the sake of this tutorial, I'm showing you that I've actually referred one person. This is not my account. This is just an account that I created to help you see how this actually works. Okay, guys, and so this is so far how much this account is earned, and you can see this is 0.0000105, and this is approximately about 95 I mean 0.0095 USD, and it shows the current rate of Bitcoin to US dollars. If you have affiliate links and you've actually shared this with some people, you get to see how much you've earned from your affiliate, and your total earnings reflect here. Now you might be asking yourself, so how do you get to increase your earning power with CryptoTab? All you need to do is you already have your landing ID. This is it right here. You can click here to copy it and share, even by clicking this share link. Okay, and if you click on this share link, it's gonna just show you different ways to promote your referral link, and then you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, and various other social media platforms. Okay, and that is just how it works. Basically, it's so simple. You can even mine on your mobile devices. You can get a smartphone or a tablet, and then just register on it and use the link on the description below. Register and begin to mine, and you're good to go. Now you share your personal links. I already talked about that. Now you can use your crypto tab daily, just like your regular browser, guys. I use heavy, I use my browser heavily. Okay, I'm a heavy browser user, and you can imagine if I have been using this, for example, maybe for about a month, how much I would have generated just by barely using this, browser to do all my exploration on the internet, to do all my researches on the internet, and to do all that I do, all my internet activities basically on this one single browser. And then right here you can see the mining network. It tells you how you can expand and maximize your income. And you can actually withdraw your funds. It's very easy. With a click of a button, you are able to withdraw your funds directly to your wallet. No questions asked, no frustration, no any sort of stress. I mean, this guys is a game changer. Okay, so I think this is really cool. You all need to check it out. Again, check the link out in the description below. Click on the link, get started right away, and I promise you, you will not have any reason to regret it. Now, regarding the Cloud Boost, I'm just going to talk about that now. For those of you who have extra money and you want to actually increase your earning uh, capability, let me just share this with you really quick. You can see right in the background here, this is my Google Chrome with so much data, okay, on my browser. Now, if you imagine me using this on this particular account, how much I would have actually generated. Yes, because as you browse, you also use, you get the mining going on as you are using the browser. That's exactly how it works, guys. It's not just that you're gonna get the browser and it's just gonna automatically continue mining. You have to be using the browser actively, and then that way the mining is running on the background, even on the tab open like this, and then open other tabs, do your thing, and the mining is doing its own thing, and you're making the money. So it's as simple as that and as easy as that. Now, for those who want extra perks, now you can see the Cloud Boost. I already have the 2x to 1 PC on this account, and um, if you actually want to increase and unlock more boosts, I did this on this for you guys to see for 199 USD. If you want the X4 boost, you can do that for 4.99 USD. And I tell you guys, it's just going to multiple the amount of the speed at which you mine up, and you can quickly, before you know it, actually get to 0.5 or even 1 BTC in a very short period of time, guys. This is how it works. This is how amazing the system is. And again, like I said, it doesn't slow down your uh, your browsing speed in any way. And so that is it for it, guys. This is really cool. Stay tuned for more content by subscribing to our channel. Click the bell notification to be reminded of our next video releases. If you love this video, smash the like button below. Expect to see more videos and become profitable. Feel free to visit our website also, ofprofits.com. And until then, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Catch you.